Okay, we're at the Orleans Hotel and Casino, and I'm going to attempt to do a little walkthrough and show you this place. Hopefully I don't get arrested or anything, but coming in at the back near the buffet, so we'll walk around that way. But it's also a little bar area here. I'm not sure what this is. They've remodeled quite a bit of this place. A lot of the restaurants have changed up. I don't know if this is anything, but it looks like it might become something. But if we go across the way, you can see the new Medley Buffet. I have not tried it, but I'm gonna try it while I'm here. Either for lunch today or maybe brunch in the morning. So anyway, it's gonna continue on. This is also a new place here called the Bailiwick. It's kind of a bar with the food. So let's continue on. A lovely zebra. When you come into this area, you can either go left or right. I'm gonna go over this way. And kind of showing you around here. It's a very large casino, particularly for an off-strip property. Off to the side here. Just lost money on that machine. Done pretty well today. The Connected booth. They're a slot club program, which is a pretty good one. For the low to medium roller, at least. So, continuing to walk through here. One of a number of casino bars here. I think there's 4 or 5. Orleans has a free shuttle, which you can pick up at this exit. And this is where all the table games are, down here. You walk around this way. There's the Keno Lounge. This place still has one. Another one of the casino bars. Box office, showroom. They occasionally have sort of 70s, 80s sorts of bands here. In fact, oh my God, 38 special. And it's tonight. I should totally go to this. Conference area. It's continuing along here. Trying to make sure we don't get stopped by security. Sometimes they frown on this. Yeah, it's a big locals casino. It's like a cage here. They have like a place to just cash your payroll check. Just a good plan. So where you want to suddenly have a lot of money in your hand is at a casino. And there it is. Paycheck right there. This is a very large casino. I think I mentioned that. Yet another casino bar. Come out this way. This is where the hotel tower is. Since I'm staying here, I could go to the hotel tower, but we'll check out the room a little later. Another fairly new restaurant here. And again, literally maybe 5 years ago, none of these restaurants existed. They've really changed it up. Kind of an upscale place. Now the Prime Rib Loft has been here for a long time. This is what used to be the old Courtyard Cafe, right through here. It's now still kind of a coffee shop, but more of a modern theme there. So, and we come up here. Obviously this is the race and sports book area. Yet another bar. It never ends. There's bars everywhere. It's like they want you to drink. So, all right, we're continuing. We're gonna try to go all the way down to the food court and the poker room. Again, assuming someone doesn't tell us we can't. Big Al's Oyster Bar. That's been here for 20 years. I think that was here when this place opened. So I have probably stayed in this hotel a dozen times and have probably only paid for a room once or twice. So they're very good as far as comps for sort of average people. So anyway, we'll continue on. There's also an arena here. They have sporting events sometimes. I think the West Coast Athletic Conference basketball tournament will be held here. And here we go. This is the TGI Fridays. That's what's a vacation without a TGI Friday? So anyway, as you can see, this place is huge. We've got 6 minutes and 55 seconds on this video, and we're still not done. We're not even going to walk down to the arena. But it's a big food court down here, which everybody loves food courts. I have to say, one of my favorite places, it's a chain, they get a hamburger, it's Fuddruckers, and they have a Fuddruckers. And TGI Fridays. We'll take a look at the food court, which is right ahead of us here. Sbarro, Baskin-Robbins, Subway, Fuddruckers, and yet another casino bar. And on the other side is the poker room. We won't get too close to that, so I don't want to annoy anyone who might be playing. But so anyway, this is the Orleans, a casino and hotel I've always considered to be kind of a home away from home. So hope you enjoyed this extra long video. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.